the number one thing I want to talk to you about is that I am someone that, in order for me to do my work, I must be rooted in communities. Literally, not just in that flowery way that looks good on advertisements. I mean literal community. And so when I look out at all of you and I imagine myself, right, this kid from the Bronx out here, everyone, especially Haida, especially April, has treated me with so much love and respect, like I belong here, like I deserve to be here. And so remember, when you look at each other, actually, look at each other real quick. Yeah. When you look at each other, you are looking at community members. You are looking at individuals. You are looking at people that are moving with love, because I feel it. So thank you for that, number one. And so look at all these beautiful words, right? Queer, Latinx, joy. Wow. I want some. Now, maybe some of these words are familiar to you. A lot of times they're not all together like that. I'm a really interesting sandwich of identities, and I love sandwiches, and so we're gonna break this down. Queer. Ooh. Sometimes folks do not identify with the word queer because it is still very much used as a slur. It is used as something to bully kids and push them into lockers and harm them. I choose to identify as queer. To me, queer is this incredible gift that the universe has bestowed upon me. They were like, this person is going to be born into a world that they will not think was made for them. But this queerness, this thing, this unique ability to love, right, will be the thing that allows them to make the world the one they want to live in. It will give them the power, give me the power to manifest the kind of love in society that I need and that I deserve. So that's what queer is for me. And then you have Latinx. Ooh. That also is like, what is that word? And that's one of those words where it's like someone else gave that to us. They were like, hey, you live in the United States, your family's from these islands and these random countries, Latino. But I'm also very much Puerto Rican. And there's a difference between Puerto Ricans, Dominicans, Peruvians, Mexicans. Y'all should know the difference. Because when we see the commercials, all we hear, oh, hey, yeah. We know that you're just playing us when you put the random salsa music over that ad. We know. And then joy. Oh, my gosh. Joy has had a popular year, I think, in 2019. But I really want to talk to you about the kind of joy that fuels me. It is not a basic joy. It is not a joy that comes from just getting your favorite drink at Starbucks, although that is quite joyful at times. This is a joy that comes from much suffering. This is a joy that comes from a constant struggle to be able to claim my life and my identity. This is a joy that comes from me standing on the Bronx courthouse and reading 49 names for the people that passed away at the Pulse Massacre. This is that kind of joy. It is a revolutionary joy. If your joy is not rooted in connecting with your community and fighting for the rights of people, you do not have the right to say that you are invested in joy.